Do you think without the lessons, technically you would be where you are right now?
No.
Do you think that you would know the same thing what you do know right now?
No, definitely not.
No, it's impossible. No.
No, no way. I mean,
No. I think I don't know if I would even sing if I wouldn't take lessons.
Technically you would be where you are right now?
No, it's not. It's the easiest question I'll have. There's no way.
Technically you would be where you are right now?
No, definitely not. I wouldn't even be in a band right now.
No. Without lessons, I would never be anywhere near where I am now.
No way.
Do you think without the lessons, technically you would be where you are right now?
no.
Absolutely not.
A lot of people have this misnomer that singing is just something people do naturally. It's the easiest thing, and you either have it or you don't. And that's not the case. I enjoyed singing. I felt pretty good about my singing prior to starting lessons. But the dramatic improvement that has happened since I've done it is huge. Also, my ear has changed based on your teaching is very, very good. You can hear instantly where you think my technique is going wrong, and that has helped me start to hear it more. I certainly hear things differently. I hear other singers differently than what I did. The ability, especially with distortion and things like that.
Like, you can practice on your own, which I was trying to do when I wasn't taking classes, but yeah, you're gonna develop bad habits and you will never get out of that. So you need a coach. You need a coach.
You need a coach. Yes, if you didn't hear